So we got the new cats in. This is what it looks like before we put the air box in.
If you guys remember from our last video, we actually stripped a few bolts that attached the exhaust to the catalytic converters. Little did we know that we were supposed to install brand new high flow cats. If we knew that from the beginning, we would have never had to rethread the bolts and we would have never had to fix that issue. But here we are installing the new high flow cats and doing a lot of some of the same work twice. If we knew the catalytic converters were coming out, we could have rethreaded it and gotten the new bolts and installed them, all while the catalytic converters were out of the vehicle, saving us both time and a headache. Like the sayings go, you live and you learn, and what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
So we got the new cats in. This is what it looks like before we put the air box in. After this, we just have to put the air box in. It'll pretty much cover that all up. And then we can go ahead and reassemble the rear bumper, reassemble the wheels. We also got the exhaust all fitted up. So this is pretty much all complete, all good to go. We just have to reinstall everything, and then we'll go ahead and turn on the car and show you guys what it sounds like. Remember, this is the convertible, it's not the coupe. So a little bit of a difficult situation or something that you have to do that's a little bit different than the coupe. So basically, this is the frunk, or the trunk, I'm sorry, and then you have the convertible top. So in order to open up the convertible top, you have to put the trunk back down and vice versa. So it's a lot of going back and forth between the two. You have to shut the trunk, open up the hardtop convertible, and then whenever you want to open up the trunk again, you have to shut the hardtop convertible. So it's not necessarily hard, but it is a little bit more time consuming than just a standard coupe. But like I said, we got everything all fitted back up. Let's go ahead and get everything reassembled. And then I'm really excited to hear what it sounds like with these high flow cats. And I'm sure you guys are excited as well. So let's go ahead and get back to it. So we just finished up installing the high flow cats and exhaust on the Z06 Corvette. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time and see what it sounds like. So Robert and Ricardo also want to hear what it sounds like from the outside. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on with the key for the first time. So we're going to go ahead and hit the lock button, hit the middle button twice. No, twice.
That sounds great.
All right, let's do that one more time. Lock button, center button twice. No, what the hell?
What the hell? What the hell, Yonte? And that's what a freaking downpipe C8 sounds like, guys. And let me know when.
So we got Ricardo right next to me, and of course we got Edgar, the cameraman. Let's go ahead and have Robert turn it on for the first time and see what it sounds like. Hit it, Robert.
Yeah, sounds great.
Oh, take it out of the... Now try it. I can feel it in my chest. That shit's loud. Yo, let's pull it out and do some revs, because the last time we revved it inside the shop, the next door neighbors got a little mad. Yeah, get it out of the shop. Bro, it just echoes in here and the ladies give me like, ah! Yeah, it sounds a lot louder. That shit's loud. Man, oh man, does it sound a whole lot better. And it just makes a world of a difference with the high flow cats. It gives it a much deeper pitch, a much louder pitch. And honestly, when we first did that cold start, I could feel the vibration in my chest just from how loud it was. We did decide to pull it out of the garage to go ahead and do the revs, just because we do have some business or some neighbors around us and we don't want to piss them off or anything. So this vehicle is definitely very loud, and that exhaust system completely transformed the sound of the Z06 Corvette. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a convertible, so the convertible is a little bit more difficult than just the standard coupes, just because you do have some different access points and they do have to make a little bit more space in the trunk for that convertible top to go down. However, we were able to get it all completed, all put back together, and the car is sounding really mean and really good. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the process of us working on this beautiful Z06 Corvette. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think about this Fabspeed exhaust system. Is it worth the money? Do you guys think it sounds better stock? I personally think the Fabspeed exhaust system makes a world of a difference, and it definitely brings this car to life. But that'll do it for this video. We'll catch you guys on the next one.